judo. Kimuras, when you have them here and you bring them back and make them tap. It's a reverse one, okay? This works well when we're wrestling. Here, move back a little. This move works well when we get him broken down and he comes back up. I was explaining that. And I'll do it a couple times. 1, he comes up again. 2, he comes up again. 3, now he broke, right? Right? Understand? You break him. And it's a far better situation, in my opinion, and don't tell other coaches, you know, Mitch says no double boots, but I just think you're limited time. How much time do I have here? Refs are gonna give me 8 to 10 seconds. I got him pinned, but I'm stuck. Here, I can go power half, I can go short boot, I can go figure 4, and slide it out easily and go into tight waist and all that. Okay, understood? All right, but now we're here and he beats me to it and he sits me down right away. Okay? Now the mistake from here is to go right up top, isn't it? Because I didn't tighten anything up and it's loose down here, so go ahead and hip place through, go ahead. And that happens. Okay, go back. So what I want to do here, as soon as I land, is grab my own ankle and create a seatbelt. It actually looks like driver's side seatbelt, right? Then what I'm going to do is, as I do that, I'm going to scoop my hips and tighten that seatbelt. If I stay here, it's not tight. I scoop and tighten. I go C-clamp. It's important that I go C-clamp and not block, because he can still bring that elbow in here. I want to block, and I want to fortify that block with my head. Now he's going to spaz out for about 6 to 8 seconds. Go ahead. And I got to keep scooting, and I got to stay mobile. And then when he finally stops, that's when I can come up and get into my Majestic butterfly. Now, let me show you why I don't go here. Turn down. He's out. If you put your wrists together, everyone put your wrists together and create a butterfly, and then clasp, and you do it where he's sore after he does a bench press, then we're right here. Now he can't turn down, go ahead. All right, again, here, if I go here, turn down. All right, now same thing here. Everybody wants to throw that second boot in and squeeze real hard. See what he did? Do it again. He's out. Without arms, turn into me. Turn into me. Turn into me. How cool is that? I'm scissoring the hip, and I'm taking that power leg away. And I finish him off with this. And then, you know, put an elbow in the back, make a bicep, show it off, all that good stuff. We will get into if he hips you down and then switches hips on you. Go ahead. We will get into the Python. The Python will be coming in 48 minutes. Not throwing a boot in, not throwing a boot in. Riding tough here, riding probably clawing. He moves forward, boom, right in. He hips me down, don't go up here. Tighten things up, get your seatbelt, tighten it up. Weather the storm, rodeo time, 8 seconds, go. If you want to go Jay Jaggers and look cool, that's good. That's good. He showed me this one. All right? Or Jesse Jansen right here. Got it? Sitting them down. And bottom man, you just kind of spaz out for 8 seconds. Go.